Can you hear me clearly? Yes, very clearly. Can you hear me clearly? Yes, very clearly. Is the volume too loud? No, it's perfect. Is the volume too loud? No, it's perfect. Can you speak a little louder? Sure, no problem. Can you speak a little louder? Sure, no problem. Where is the nearest bank? It's across the street. Where is the nearest bank? It's across the street. Is there an ATM nearby? Yes, just around the corner. Is there an ATM nearby? Yes, just around the corner. Can I exchange money here? Yes, you can. Can I exchange money here? Yes, you can. How much cash do you have? About $50. How much cash do you have? About $50. Can you recommend a restaurant? Yes, there's a great one nearby. Can you recommend a restaurant? Yes, there's a great one nearby. Is the restaurant crowded? Not at this time. Is the restaurant crowded? Not at this time. Do I need a reservation? No, you don't. Do I need a reservation? No, you don't. Can we sit by the window? Of course. Can we sit by the window? Of course. What would you recommend? Try the grilled chicken. What would you recommend? Try the grilled chicken. Would you like anything else? No, that's enough. Would you like anything else? No, that's enough. Could we have the bill, please? Certainly. Could we have the bill, please? Certainly. Is the service included? Yes, it is. Is the service included? Yes, it is. Can I have a glass of water? Certainly. Can I have a glass of water? Certainly. Would you like ice? Yes, just a little. Would you like ice? Yes, just a little. Where are the restrooms? They're at the back. Where are the restrooms? They're at the back. Can you show me the way? Certainly, follow me. Can you show me the way? Certainly, follow me. Which bus should I take? Take bus number 10. Which bus should I take? Take bus number 10. Does this bus stop downtown? Yes, it does. Does this bus stop downtown? Yes, it does. How much is the bus fare? It's $2. How much is the bus fare? It's $2. Where should I get off? At the next stop. Where should I get off? At the next stop. Is the train on time? Yes, it's arriving now. Is the train on time? Yes, it's arriving now. How long is the trip? About 40 minutes. How long is the trip? About 40 minutes. Can I buy a ticket here? Yes, at that counter. Can I buy a ticket here? Yes, at that counter. Is this seat available? Yes, nobody is sitting there. Is this seat available? Yes, nobody is sitting there. Where are you traveling? I'm traveling to Bali. Where are you traveling? I'm traveling to Bali. Is this your first visit? Yes, it is. Is this your first visit? Yes, it is. How was your trip? It was wonderful. How was your trip? It was wonderful. Did you enjoy your vacation? Yes, every moment. Did you enjoy your vacation? Yes, every moment. Where did you stay? I stayed at a hotel. Where did you stay? I stayed at a hotel. Was the hotel comfortable? Yes, it was very comfortable. Was the hotel comfortable? Yes, it was very comfortable. Did you take many photos? Yes, hundreds of them. Did you take many photos? Yes, hundreds of them. What's your favorite place here? The beach is my favorite. What's your favorite place here? The beach is my favorite. Would you come back again? Absolutely. Would you come back again? Absolutely. Did you buy any souvenirs? Yes, for my family. Did you buy any souvenirs? Yes, for my family. What did you buy? I bought some postcards. What did you buy? I bought some postcards. When did you arrive? I arrived this morning. When did you arrive? I arrived this morning. When are you leaving? I'm leaving tomorrow. When are you leaving? I'm leaving tomorrow. Did you travel alone? No, I traveled with my cousin. Did you travel alone? No. I traveled with my cousin. How was the flight? It was smooth. How was the flight? It was smooth. Did the plane leave on time? Yes, exactly on time. Did the plane leave on time? Yes, exactly on time. Have you checked in? Yes, I checked in online. Have you checked in? Yes. I checked in online. Where is the boarding gate? It's gate 12. Where is the boarding gate? It's gate 12. May I see your passport? Here you are. May I see your passport? Here you are. Do you have any luggage? Yes, one suitcase. Do you have any luggage? Yes, one suitcase. Is this your suitcase? Yes, it's mine. Is this your suitcase? Yes, it's mine. Would you like a window seat? Yes, please. Would you like a window seat? Yes, please. Can I have an aisle seat? Certainly. Can I have an aisle seat? Certainly. Are you staying long? Just 3 days. Are you staying long? Just 3 days. Where can I find a taxi? Outside the main entrance. Where can I find a taxi? Outside the main entrance. Could you call a taxi? Sure, I'll call one. Could you call a taxi? Sure. I'll call one. How much is the taxi fare? About $15. How much is the taxi fare? About $15. Can you take me to this address? Of course. Can you take me to this address? Of course. Is it far from here? No, it's quite close. Is it far from here? No, it's quite close. How long will it take? About 10 minutes. How long will it take? About 10 minutes. Can you stop here? Sure. Can you stop here? Sure. Is there a pharmacy nearby? Yes, 2 blocks away. Is there a pharmacy nearby? Yes, 2 blocks away. I need some medicine. The pharmacist can help you. I need some medicine. The pharmacist can help you. Do you have a fever? No, just a cough. Do you have a fever? No, just a cough. Should I see a doctor? Yes, that's a good idea. Should I see a doctor? Yes, that's a good idea. Where is the nearest hospital? It's beside the park. Where is the nearest hospital? It's beside the park. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling much stronger. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling much stronger. Did you take your medicine? Yes, this morning. Did you take your medicine? Yes, this morning. Do you have any allergies? No, I don't. Do you have any allergies? No, I don't. Would you like to go for a walk? Yes, let's go. Would you like to go for a walk? Yes, let's go. Where would you like to go? Let's go to the park. Where would you like to go? Let's go to the park. Do you come here often? About once a week. Do you come here often? About once a week. What are you looking at? The beautiful flowers. What are you looking at? The beautiful flowers. Can I take a picture? Yes, go ahead. Can I take a picture? Yes, go ahead. Would you take our photo? I'd be happy to. Would you take our photo? I'd be happy to. Do you enjoy nature? Yes, it's peaceful. Do you enjoy nature? Yes, it's peaceful. Have you been here before? Only once. Have you been here before? Only once. What's your hobby? I enjoy gardening. What's your hobby? I enjoy gardening. What do you do for fun? I like painting. What do you do for fun? I like painting. Do you collect anything? Yes, I collect stamps. Do you collect anything? Yes, I collect stamps. How often do you travel? About twice a year. How often do you travel? About twice a year. Do you like taking photos? Yes, especially sunsets. Do you like taking photos? Yes, especially sunsets. Can you dance? A little. Can you dance? A little. Do you enjoy cooking for others? Yes, I really do. Do you enjoy cooking for others? Yes, I really do. What's your favorite fruit? Mangoes are my favorite. What's your favorite fruit? Mangoes are my favorite. Do you eat vegetables every day? Yes, I try to. Do you eat vegetables every day? Yes, I try to. Do you drink enough water? Yes, about 2 liters daily. Do you drink enough water? Yes, about 2 liters daily. Do you prefer coffee or tea? I prefer tea. Do you prefer coffee or tea? I prefer tea. Can you wake up early? Yes, without an alarm. Can you wake up early? Yes, without an alarm. Do you take naps? Sometimes after lunch. Do you take naps? Sometimes after lunch. What's your favorite day of the week? Saturday. What's your favorite day of the week? Saturday. Why do you like Saturday? Because I can relax. Why do you like Saturday? Because I can relax.
I stand tall and proud. I'm learning.